Hello, everyone. Kathy Sabater here, and I have Katie Smith, who is an insurance broker. And why is it important to talk about insurance? Well, we're going to give you a couple of questions so you can find out. Katie, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hi, my name is Katie Smith. I have a Goosehead Insurance Agency based out of San Diego, California, but I can help clients nationwide as well with anything from home and auto to commercial to life insurance, just a one-stop shop.
Phenomenal. So all of you may know that, hey, I got my insurance statement. So whether it be property insurance, auto insurance, have you seen an increase? Because I know I saw an increase in mine. I had to email Katie and say, Katie, help me. So why
Yeah.
is it that the prices are going up, Katie?
Well, it's going to be a lot of similar reasons for both home and auto. Even people with perfect, clean records, no past claims on their home, no accidents, no tickets on their auto, they're still seeing that increase in the rate. And the reason being, specifically in California, is what I'm speaking to because we do tend to be one of the most expensive states. Inflation has an effect that's affecting the cost to replace and repair cars.
Okay.
So California is one of the most expensive states when it comes to repairing cars. There's been an increase in claims. Have you heard about the Kia and Hyundai TikTok viral trend?
I know I don't really do a lot of TikTok, but I know that YouTube and all those
Yeah.
people, they're actually giving you videos to how to take the car.
Yeah. And I don't have
Ridiculous.
TikTok either. I learned this on
Right.
the other side when my companies I'm working with are saying,
Right.
hey, there's this viral video going around teaching people how to break into certain
Mm-hmm.
Kias and Hyundais.
Right.
There was some issue with the safety. So
Mm-hmm.
that caused a huge increase in claims on top of just people coming back from COVID, having
Mm-hmm.
poor driving habits, increase of accidents and claims.
Mm-hmm.
And for homes, inflation, supply chain issues is increasing the cost to replace and repair homes. Um, this is causing, different insurance carriers to leave the market temporarily while they maintain their profitability because they're paying out all these claims. They can't really take on more policies. So you're
Mm-hmm.
seeing a lot of non-renewal notices at the same time as well. So
Mm-hmm.
just all around, there's a handful of different factors increasing the rate, but it doesn't always have to do with the person they're insuring. It has to do with other factors going on in the state.
Okay. So what I'm hearing you saying is the reason why prices have been increasing, it has to do with one, COVID, because I know for COVID, a lot of people weren't driving, so prices went down. So now that people are more on the road, that's one of the reasons why auto insurance is up. The other thing is we have no control over what's happening around the state, around the world. We have a great deal of devastation, and hence, unfortunately, the consumer has to bear the burden of the cost, right? So that's in a nutshell in regards to why our property and auto insurance is going up. Would you like to add anything else?
Yeah, we'll talk about in our next video how we can hopefully save you some money while these rates are going up.
Save me
So,
some money, save me some money, save me
yep.
some money. Okay, great. Well, thank you, Katie. I
Thank you
appreciate your
so
time.
much.
Okay, talk to you
Awesome. We'll
soon.
talk to you later.
Bye.